Good morning students, welcome to my class. So in class 4 BGK we are going to do today page 9. This is unit 1, natural world. Okay, places for plants. See, these are the places. There is a fixed name where some kinds of plants are there. There is a specific name. So we are going to study this today. This is places for plants. Okay, can you name these places related to plants? So we have to name these places which are related to plants. Okay, a place where young plants are grown and cared in order to be sold. You see, number 1. So, number 1 you see, a place where young plants are grown. A place where young plants are grown and cared in order to be sold. And cared in order to be sold. So you see here, a place where young plants are grown and cared in order to be sold. They are grown there and in order to sell them. The people plant there and grow there and take care of them. So what is the place called? It is known as nursery. Okay. So what is the place called? It is known as nursery. Okay. You should know what is a nursery. So a place where young plants are grown and cared in order to be sold. That place is known as nursery. Okay. Number 2. A farm where crops, that is a farm where crops such as coffee, sugar and tobacco are grown. Where crops such as, what are the crops? Such as coffee, sugar and tobacco. Coffee, sugar and tobacco are grown. You see, a farm where crops such as coffee, sugar and tobacco are grown. So in this farm you see coffee, sugar and tobacco are grown there. So what is that place called? That is known as plantation. What it is called? It is known as plantation. Okay. You see, a place where young plants are grown and cared in order to be sold, that is nursery. A farm where crops such as coffee, sugar and tobacco are grown, that is plantation. Number 3, you see, an area of land devoted for the cultivation of fruits. An area of land devoted for the cultivation of fruits. So you see, an area of land devoted for the cultivation of fruits. Only fruits are grown there. What is that place called? It is known as orchard. What it is called? It is known as orchard. Okay. Only fruits are grown there. Different kinds of fruits are grown there. Okay. Number 4, you see, an area where grapes are grown. Only grapes. An area where grapes are grown. Only grapes are grown. What is that place called? Vineyard. Okay, that is known as vineyard. Okay, only grapes are grown. That place is known as vineyard. So please see once again, an area of land devoted for the cultivation of fruits, it is known as orchard. Okay, an area where grapes are grown, that is known as vineyard. Okay. Next one you see a land covered with grass, number 5. A land covered with grass and other low plants suitable for grazing animals. And other low plants. These plants don't grow to a very big size. They grow very low. Okay, a land covered, actually the place is covered with grass and other low plants suitable for grazing animals. You will see cows and goats, they graze there. Okay, suitable for grazing animals. Suitable for grazing animals. So that is known as pasture. What it is known as? Pasture. Okay. Alright, a land covered with grass and other low plants suitable for grazing animals, pasture. Next one you see a large open area of country covered with grass, grassland. A large open area of country. Open area of country means of that place actually. You will see, usually you will see in the villages, okay, in the countryside, in the villages you will see open areas, they are covered with grass. Okay, a large open area of country covered with grass. So that is known as grassland. That is known as grassland. Okay. Next one you see number 7. A large area of land covered chiefly with trees, okay, and undergrowth. You see a large area of land covered chiefly with trees and undergrowth. You will find all varieties of trees there. Okay, in that place. Okay, you can see that a large area of land. Okay, so that is forest. In the forest you find all kinds of trees, isn't it? You can find even wild trees also, you can find there many kinds of trees, plants, trees, grasses, everything you can find there. So that is the forest. It is a large area of land covered chiefly with trees and undergrowth. Down also there is so much of plantation is there, isn't it? Okay, next number you see. Next one you see number 8. A piece of ground used for growing. A piece of ground used for growing flowers, trees, shrubs and other plants. Flowers, trees, shrubs and other plants. You see a piece of ground used for growing flowers, trees, shrubs and other plants. You see you have a garden at home. Most of you have gardens at home, isn't it? So in that gardens you will see big trees are also there, flowers are there, shrubs are there, so many different kinds of trees are there, isn't it? So that is a garden. Okay, where you find many kinds of varieties of trees you find, isn't it? So a piece of ground used for growing flowers, trees, shrubs and other plants, it is known as garden. Okay, next one you see. Alright, an area where vegetables, an area where vegetables, fruits or herbs are grown. Vegetables, fruits, herbs are grown. You see a place or an area where vegetables, fruits, there are vegetables you can find, fruits you can find, herbs you can find. Herbs are grown for domestic use. Herbs are grown for domestic use, for your home purpose. Isn't it? You need all these things in your home. That is your home purpose. Domestic use. You can use it at your home. Okay. So, domestic use, that is your kitchen garden, isn't it? These things you use in your kitchen, isn't it? Kitchen garden. Once again you see an area where vegetables, fruits, herbs are grown for domestic use, that is known as kitchen garden, isn't it? Okay. A piece of ground used for growing flowers, trees, shrubs and other plants, that is a garden. An area where vegetables, fruits, herbs are grown for domestic use, that is kitchen garden. Number 10 you see, a glass building in which plants, a glass building in which plants that need protection from cold, which plants that need protection from cold weather are grown. Weather are grown. You see what is this? This is a glass building. Okay, the full building is made of glass. A glass building in which plants that need protection from cold weather are grown. See, if it is too much cold, the plants cannot grow outside. They will die. So they are protected inside this glass building. They are grown inside this glass building for protection, so that they can grow there. So that cold is not there, they can grow. Okay. So a glass building in which plants that need protection from cold weather are grown. So they can grow there. Okay, so warmth is there inside that glass building, so that the plants can grow properly and they will not die also. So that is greenhouse. That is greenhouse. Okay, alright. So you see a glass building in which plants that need protection from cold weather are grown. That is greenhouse. Students, you have to do page number 9. I have already written there that this is page number 9. You have to do this in your GK copies. Okay. So we have done till now. We have done, what are the pages I am saying you? We have done page number 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We have done 5 pages. So all these 5 pages, this should be in your GK copies. Okay. Please do it. Thank you.